All right, now we're going to do location analysis. The last 14 days. Rip this as a visual. And this is going to be a great place to do bid adjustments, especially since we're not doing smart bidding to conversions. We're doing it for max clicks. I might switch to manual, honestly. Uh, Max seems to be working now, and we're getting traffic, and the search terms are great, so I wouldn't worry about that now. But here we have this. We're going to export this to Sheets like all the other ones. Indiana looks particularly high. Interesting. So we can actually do location bid adjustments if we look inside of here. Bid adjustments geo-targeting. So bid adjustments. All right, so your best bet to do a bulk upload of for locations is to go into the UI, then go to search campaigns or whatever the highest spending campaigns are. Click over locations, and I would just try to do it as narrowed as possible. Maybe even on the neighborhood level. Wow, you can get super, super targeted. Interesting. There might not even be enough data for that, but we can get pretty targeted. I do it at the city level. Okay. State level. Interesting. So we can even do it at the state level here and kind of just do adjustments like this, maybe. This is fine. Edit. So decrease this by 5%. Apply. What states are giving us great click-through rate? Minnesota. Yeah, so that's a very easy way to do it. You can go on each campaign. Let's see display. What's giving us the most cost? New York and Georgia. Decrease these by 5%. Sometimes just going in the UI is the easiest because Google Ads Editor doesn't have the data and it's not going to work with you here. And then you don't really even need a bulk upload necessarily if you have such little data. Otherwise, you can just do a bulk upload. Um, and then we can just give insights like Indiana has the most cost. And honestly, you can just just export this and share it just so they can see it if they want. Put it in here. That's where you do the location audit right there.